about me. No, you wouldn't tell me why I'm waiting for someone that couldn't give a fuck about me. No, you wouldn't tell me.
Can't tell right from wrong, can't right my wrong, so I write these songs. Since that night I ain't felt the same. Do you got anything to help the pain? Do I gotta pop antidepressants? How many times till I learn my lesson? I hate going through my adolescence and I can't figure out why the hell I'm stressing. I lay awake staring at the ceiling, wanna stay awake, trying to drown my feelings, can't think straight. I smile but you know it's fake, and time to time you come to mind. Everybody needs a ride or die. Some saying that they'd rather die. I keep thinking about what we could've had, what we should've had, but you ruined that. Thought it was real when you said you loved me. I should've known that something was funny. Drug in my system, you corrupt me. We so unlucky, feeling like I should just stay shut. Then you hit me up trying to make up. She saying she don't wanna lose me again, but I don't wanna lose myself again.
Tell me why I'm waiting for someone that couldn't give a fuck about me. No, you wouldn't tell me why I'm waiting for someone that couldn't give a fuck about me. No, you wouldn't tell me why I'm waiting for someone that couldn't give a fuck about me.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game.